We were talking about transformations of quadratic functions, and we want to write the equation of a quadratic function in intercept form given the x-intercepts and a point. So in this case, the point that we're given is the vertex, and we're also given the x-intercepts of -7, 0 and -3, 0. In order to do this, we have to write out the equation. So we have y equals some a value, and then we say times x minus p, x minus q. And we can substitute those values in, the values that we know. So this one will be p right here, -7, and q is -3. And then we have a point x comma y, which is -5 and 16. So we can substitute those points into this equation. So 16 is the solution that we're looking for. And then we know our x value is going to be -5. And then we're always going to have those minus signs. Those don't get to leave based off the number. And then we want to substitute in our -7 and -3. And we have our a value, which we have to calculate. And so now we can start to figure out what this is going to be. Combine like terms and order of operations. So we have -5 minus a -7. That just means addition. So this parentheses becomes 2. And then we have -5 minus a -3, which is addition. So that becomes -2. And then we still have the a, and that's equal to 16. So we have 16 is equal to a, actually -4a, still have the a value there. And we're going to divide by -4. And then we get -4 is equal to our a value. So we can rewrite the equation. The things that are going to stay are the adding 7 and adding 3 and our y and our x. So we can rewrite the equation y equals our a value our x value, and in this case we are going to add 7 and add 3, and our a value is -4. So the equation has a negative sign in it. So if we substitute in a negative value, it becomes positive. So we substitute in -7 and it ends up being +7 in our equation. -3 becomes +3 in our equation, and the a value substitutes in is -4.